Hello, friends, welcome to my small world. So, during this lockdown, I was scrolling off Instagram, so I found something very interesting called Paintastic Arts. I found that they were organizing a workshop on 9th August, that is a brush pen calligraphy. I was so interested in calligraphy and I enrolled in it. Now, they gave some details for me. The materials includes practice book and colored pens, the brush pens. So I was interested. I paid, and they packed, they sent, and I received Fantastic Arts kit. This here it is. So this is the Fantastic Arts kit they have sent me through courier. It was so nice to receive. It was well packed, securely packed. Since it was tight, it was really difficult to open, and I found it very difficult to open the pack. But it was secured. I felt very happy while receiving the kit, excited about it. This is such a nice idea, placing the cardboard back of the papers, so that the papers don't bend so easily, and also the package will not fold up so easily. So here it is, the brush calligraphy, worksheets, practice sheets, and few pens. So here they are, the brush pens. 6 brush pens are there. 2 of gel pens and 4 of camlin pens. Gel pens are not so soft, so the beginners can have their curves and all the letterings very good. These are very good for practice for beginners, but the camlin ones are so soft, just like a brush which we use for paints. So it is so soft that even a little more pressure gives you a broader curves, something like that. So I recommend, if you are a beginner, you can use Agile brush pens. So here is the brush calligraphy worksheets and pens. This is the set they have couriered me, the materials for the workshop. The first one is how to hold the brush pen and the most basic strokes and alphabets, uppercase alphabets and lowercase alphabets, and 2 other extra sheets to practice for us. Thank you, Paintastic Arts, for sending us, and you have taken so much time, so much efforts in sending us all these worksheets, practice sheets to us, all the way from Mumbai. And in this, they have given the lines how to and from where to start, ABCs. So here it is. So this is brush calligraphy, and I really enjoyed the workshop. It was worth for the beginners. Thank you, Paintastic Arts and team. As we all know, a learning curve is essential for growth. So, to know more about such kind of workshops, competitions, and much more, please follow my Instagram account given in the description. Thank you for watching. Give a thumbs up if you like. Comment your suggestion if any. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.